what you see.
Beyond what you... Hey, how am I supposed to look beyond what I see beyond that?
Huh? Oh, sorry.
What this place lacks in water and shade, it makes up for with searing heat and blinding sunshine. Home sweet home, Pumbaa.
Shall we run for our lives?
Oh, yes, let's.
Hang on, Timon!
This is it. Goodbye, cruel world. That's it? That wasn't so bad. You can't knock old Timon down that easy. Yeah, bring it on. Pumbaa? Question. Is it possible to fall off the edge of the earth?
Technically, no. The Earth is round like a sphere, Timon, so it doesn't actually have an edge. You mind if I pause it for a second?
Sure, go ahead.
Be right back.
It's a small world. Everybody is a small world.
Okay, I got the jumbo so we could share. Were you just picking your nose?
No, I had an itch on the inside.